Of all the superheroes in the world of fiction, arguably the most popular is Batman. He's not from a different planet, he wasn't born with special powers, he's just a man, and I believe this is what makes Batman so special. He's just a man who decided to make a difference in the world. He walks alongside the other members of the Justice League, all with their own superpowers, clearly demonstrating that the greatest superpowers of all, which are determination and intelligence. The story of superheroes continue to inspire us, and the most inspirational hero of all, Batman, can provide us with lessons for all of us to live our lives better and maybe in some way to become the superhero of our own story. It is not who I am underneath, but what I do that defines me, Batman begins. After his parents were murdered, Bruce Wayne inherited billions of dollars. It would have been easy to live a life of luxury for the rest of his days, but instead, he dedicated his life to making Gotham City, his home, a safer place so that no one would go through the tragedy that he went through. Actions count, not intentions. You may consider yourself a good person, but unless you go out of your way to do good things, then you are only pretending to be a good person. If you want a better life, if you want to make a difference in this world, then the only road is to take the more difficult path. Inaction is easy. Action requires you to take risks, but with those risks comes the greatest reward of all. You become defined by your actions. Bruce Wayne took on the identity of the Batman for two main reasons. Firstly, in order to strike fear in the heart of criminals, and secondly, to create a symbol, something to which people can gather around and seek hope from. The bat symbol shows everyone in Gotham that they don't have to be afraid. In order to inspire people and more importantly to inspire yourself, you have to stand for something that is greater than yourself. I'm often asked, what is the single best piece of advice I can give a leader? My answer is always the same, and that is, any leader should always remember it is never about you. In order to truly inspire and lead, you have to give people a cause that is greater than yourself. There have been many tragedies in Batman's life. Seeing his parents murdered in front of him, Robin was murdered by the Joker, his back was broken by Bane, he blew himself up in Red Sun, he staged his death in The Dark Knight Rises, he got stabbed by Ra's al Ghul, and was subjected to infinite tortures by Joker, but he always came back. Each setback was used as a catalyst to come back better and stronger than before. Each failure molded him into the hero that we all know today. In my experience, the single best difference between people who are successful and people who are not is their approach to failure. The losers in this world see failure as a reason to give up, yet successful people see failure as a feedback. Losers ask themselves whether they can achieve a goal or not, yet successful people ask themselves a different question. They ask, how long will I take to succeed? And they know failure is just a step on that long journey to success. None of us have the ability to fly or shoot lasers out of our eyes, but we do have a superpower. Each and every one of us has the power to inspire. We can each make a difference in other people's lives, and it may be something as simple as telling someone that you believe in them, giving a smile to someone who's sad, or even a simple gesture of kindness. Each act may seem small to us, but the impact can be considerable to others. The ability to inspire people is our power. Embrace that power and we too can be a hero. So what's up with Batman and why am I talking about him? Batman is a symbol of what's so great about humanity, the beacon and icon that gives humanity hope, the character that everyone sees a bit of themselves in. We wish we were bigger, stronger, smarter, and arguably more suave with the ladies. Our desires to be the best in everything we do is something we all want, but not many of us achieve this. Not many of us realize that the path to being the best is not to have a knowledge base that is a mile deep and a foot wide, nor is it to be a mile wide and a foot deep. It is to have a knowledge base that is a mile wide and a mile deep. To do this, hard work, dedication, and a lot of failure is key to achieving success. If you read Batman comics, watched the cartoons, or even just watched the movies, you'll notice that Batman is absolutely amazing at what he does. He never ceases to amaze us. He's always after the bad guys and without a doubt, always achieving success in whatever he does. At this point you're thinking, so does Superman, Spider-Man, the X-Men, the Avengers, and many other comic book or movie heroes. Wrong. Batman does it without any superpowers. these chaps mentioned above all have some sort of supernatural powers. I know there are other superheroes that are not superpowered as well, but Batman is the most mainstream and arguably the best example to portray the thought in my head. There usually is a moment in life that hits you so hard, you decide that it's time for a change. All of the richest men in the world who started out with nothing have faced a moment of time such as this one. A time where they decide enough is enough. The point where most people fail is in the hard work aspect. Batman did not just wake up one morning and know jujitsu and kung fu. He did not just wake up one morning and find himself in the best shape of his life. He didn't just fall asleep with a cable connected to his brain and learn all the facts of life. The fact of the matter is, Batman woke up and decided, in order to know X or Y, I must learn about X and Y and all the other variables that may possibly affect it. My point is, you won't get anywhere without the effort. Going back to the mile wide, mile deep analogy, it is important to know as much as you can about as much as you can. Reading is your best friend. There is a difference between having a huge wealth of information and a huge wealth of knowledge. Information is static, it is data. Anyone can use it, save it, bookmark it, redistribute it, and pretend that it's theirs. It's the sad truth, but knowledge is truly understanding information. Really being able to jump beyond knowing the information to understanding the information. The sad truth is, in today's world, we have so many potential Batmen out there. I believe we all have a little of us in Batman. We all have the potential. However, we barely use it. Batman is also probably the hardest working hero you could possibly think of. He's always caught in a rut and has several failures on the way to fighting the bad guys. But he doesn't give up. These small failures only makes him stronger to reach his goal. He somehow manages to get away, and it's always some sort of realistic method that comes from deduction, intelligence, and a personality that he will never give up. Something we should all incorporate into our lives. I'm hoping you have a Batman in your life to influence and help you progress in life. Because at the end of the day, Batman is more important to the world than Obama, more important than Bill Gates, more important than Kobe Bryant or any other famous figure you can think of. Because Batman is a symbol, and a symbol is more powerful than any person can be. Because a symbol is what can shape and make a person into what they are. A reason for growth and being the best person you could be. A symbol of hope, a beacon of strength. If we all aim to be what Batman represents, the world would be a better place. I don't mean going out there and being a renegade crime fighter. I mean taking in his desire for knowledge, determination, and hard work, for his love for what he does, and his morals and ethics. We should all have these traits in our lives, be it our personal lives or work lives. I hope there's a Batman in your life. Despite being inspired by Batman's conviction, courage, strong will, and no-kill rule, the most inspiring thing about Batman is that his accomplishments, achievements, and just everything he's done has all been done by his sheer determination and hard work. Batman is the pinnacle of human physical perfection. He's trained his entire body to the utmost of perfection. Not only that, but he's also trained his mind to the utmost of human perfection. He's only the second smartest man on the planet, right behind Lex Luthor, and he's the world's greatest detective. And on top of all that, Batman is what a human can be if he or she truly applies himself or herself 100%. And that he has taught many people that despite being mortal, you can still accomplish great things if you put in the work and apply yourself 100%. Batman is a man that encourages all people to be better and do more than just be average. Not only that, but Batman is the example of how people can overcome fear at its greatest, and that instead of using fear to run or hide, you can use it to motivate you and fight until your last breath. And that if there's a certain person that tries to instill fear in you, then that person will succeed if you don't fight back. But if you do fight back and tell that person that they are wrong, then you can win the day. And last but not least, Batman is a symbol of self-determination and for the common man to take a stand against corruption and not allow those thugs and criminals to get the best of us. You should help yourself with your own two hands and fight for what's right. And inspire people that although you might fear, you can overcome that fear and fight and strive to win the day even if you're against odds. The character of Batman has fascinated me like no other, especially the way he is portrayed in Christopher Nolan's trilogy. What I admire is the extent to which Bruce Wayne goes to protect his city. A person so wounded in life who was looking forward to avenge when confronted by his friend about the fact that justice is more than revenge, leaves everything he has to learn about criminals. His ideologies are unselfish. It's not for personal glory. It was to create a symbol to create fear in the minds of those who prey on the fearful. His story is of sacrifice, true love, and confronting his own deepest fears. It is a story of a person rising from the depths of despair because his city needed him. In Tower of Babel, Batman has a contingency plan for every member of the Justice League in case any one of them goes rogue. Batman can take on the entire Justice League and still win, being the only human member of the league. Now that's something. Batman is all about training, dedication, discipline, and always being prepared for the worst, no matter how improbable it seems. After all, Batman is just a mortal being. Bullets can hurt him, bombs can destroy him, knives can cut him, he can definitely be killed. You ask me who can kill Batman? Well, Superman can kill an unprepared Batman, Wonder Woman can kill an unprepared Batman, Flash can kill an unprepared Batman, Iron Man can kill an unprepared Batman. In fact, almost every superhero ever created can kill an unprepared Batman. Unfortunately for them, there's no such thing as an unprepared Batman. If we imbibe even 1% of this in our daily life, we will achieve greatness. Who says Batman has no superpowers? He has the greatest power of all, focus and determination on one's goals. Everyone has this in their heart, but no one realizes it. When his parents were shot, it only opened his eyes to the real world. He completely understood that the root of the misery, rather than just putting the blame on the gunner, he understood what needed to be done, and hence through focus, he trained his body and mind to near perfection. This led him to be the greatest Justice League member of all time. I'm not the one who says that in a fight between Batman and Superman, Batman will win. He's the greatest because he's the one with the most resources and experience. He literally is a jack of all trades and has his hand in everything. We may have many superheroes, but the one thing that makes Batman above them is his incredible willpower. His iron-like determination with which he tries to save the city, though he is only a human without any special power, makes him very inspiring. There were many times when Batman was defeated mentally or physically, but he rose among all the adversaries to show his people that they could find hope even in the midst of chaos. Even in our daily lives, we get so much to learn from him. This is what makes him really inspiring. Superman and almost all other Justice League superheroes were born with those superpowers. Batman trained himself to be one of them or even better than them. Everybody wants to be a superhero in their life. Batman is the one hero they can recognize themselves with and strive to become. People can't go to Krypton or Amazon to get superpowers, but they can learn jujitsu, ninjutsu, and become akin to Batman. He knows what loss is. He has suffered a lot of pain in his life. As a kid, he was always afraid of the bats, so he took up the mantle of the bat. He overcame his fears. He can kill anyone if he wants to, but he chooses not to. That's what separates him from what he's fighting against. He seeks justice, not revenge. All he has is his wits, body, and will. He has dedicated his entire life to fighting crime. The Arkham series video games added yet another milestone to the Batman video games. These critically acclaimed video games make Batman as the coolest superhero ever. They give you the opportunity to put on the Dark Knight's cape and cowl to fight crime in Gotham. He never gives up. He has the human limitations and weaknesses, but that doesn't stop him from doing what is right. When encountered with guys who were stronger than him in strength and had superpowers, he didn't back off. He stood his ground and emerged victorious. Batman's significance has to do with the superhero in you. Former president and editor-in-chief of DC Comics, Janet Khan, wrote that Batman is an ordinary mortal who made himself a superhero. Through discipline and determination and commitment, he made himself into the best. I always thought that meant that I could be anything I wanted to be. Neil Adams wrote, "You must remember, Batman is the only superhero who is not a superhero. He has no powers. He is a human being bent on a mission. Life is a journey, not a destination, and Batman may help inform how to keep working our way along our own personal paths." DC editor Dennis O'Neil has said that Batman is the most realistic of the great superheroes. To be blunt, the guy isn't very super. He didn't gain his powers by being lightning struck, nor bathing in chemicals, nor by dint of being born on another planet. nor by the intervention of extraterrestrials or gods. He got them from the old-fashioned way. He earned them. He wasn't bequeathed those abilities, he sweated for them. Why does Batman matter? The underlying point of my video, and I think the key point for connecting with Batman, is to appreciate how much of Batman each one of us has inside. Understanding how Batman's body works helps inform us about our own bodies. Understanding Batman's work ethic helps us work harder and hopefully smarter. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you liked it. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you will enjoy my other video essays. My name is Ai, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!